you can see the size of this one. It's an absolute monster. So this is going to be 16mm that we're putting in. So it's a little bit overkill. Could have got away with 10 for the Sumo, no problems, but it's just what I've got. I happen to have 2 meters of rubberized 5 core, so I'm going to use it. I'm just going to modify this here to take a bigger gland. Got this humongous 42 or 30, I think it's 32 gland, I think it is, or 42. It's a monster, so we'll drill that out, put that in, and that will give us the cable entry. That's the frame and chassis.